Alrighty, Rudy. Yesterday, I created the digital product creation secrets book online. I sped it up. And if you haven't seen that video, there is a link above my head. Watch that. You might want to watch that first. Today, I took the product, I added it to ThriveCart, and you can use ThriveCart without a website. And I love it. And they have a lifetime deal, and I'll show you what that is. I love ThriveCart. You have your products in there, your sales pages. It links up to PayPal and Stripe and Apple Card and Google Money and all that stuff. So you don't have to bother with all that. Just have an account with those and just click, 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 and it's done. It's that simple. And I created a sales page on ThriveCart instead of a website, because you really don't need a website for that. And I tested it. I put a bump in there, and it all worked. And you'll see the whole schmeal. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. Yes, get that checklist. Get on my list and you'll be in the funnel. You'll be one of the people who are learning these skills. So if you're not on my list, get that. There's a link in the description. And get ThriveCart. It has the lifetime deal. So let's begin. All right, so I'm going to use ThriveCart to build a sales page, the sales funnel, the whole schmeal. Also, get ThriveCart. It's one of the best things I've ever bought. I bought it years ago, and they brought back this lifetime account. You pay it one time. You also get the Learn. It's a new module. It's called Learn. It's to create courses and memberships right on the same thing. And it's free. It's part of it. So I highly, highly recommend getting ThriveCart for a lifetime deal. And there'll be a link in the description below this video. These are all my products, a whole bunch of them. And they're so easy to put up on ThriveCart. These are amazing. I have a whole bunch of them. So we're going to create a brand new one. And if you remember the last video, I built this. And I'll show you what it looks like. That's what I made up. The sales page and everything. Nice, pretty. So I'm going to create a sales page. I'm going to start making the funnel with all of this. And I'll speed it up, put some music in it, and watch how I'm doing this. This is so easy, and you don't need a website to do this. At this point, I'm going to drop in the elements into the sales page, and I'm going to use Word. I'll use the original sales page because I don't want to spend all the time changing the sales page. For this demonstration, I'm just going to copy and paste. Normally I would change the language and make it my own voice, but again, for this demonstration, I'm just going to create the sales page using the one that came with the product. Okay, I have to fix this. This is the bump. So here we go. Now I'm going to make a coupon for this. And the coupon is here now. It wasn't there before. So I just take this and I'm going to move it up here. All right, I think most of that is done. Next, this is done. Complete and behavior. So when it's purchased or refunded, oops, they go into my list or not. And since this is a test, I'm going to test it. Open up a page to test so I can buy it without spending money. See, I click on there, it goes down there. Okay. And I could get the bump. All right. Credit card, so this is going to copy the fake card. Oh, so these are all fake, and so it's just to test it. Complete. Got an invoice, and here's the product. Does it work? Yep. And click on that. Does that work? Yep. And I'm done. Is it great? Edit, live, save, and it's done. If I really want to make this pretty, how about that? Beautiful, nice, fast and easy, and I don't need a website. This is all done with ThriveCart. If I really want to do this, I could take the time and put my own language in here, redo this whole page, but just as a demonstration, I copied and pasted all of this information from the original sales page. And this is a real page now. I got a coupon code if I wanted it, contact information, the bump, PayPal, Apple Pay, credit card, and it's all done. Easy peasy. I love it. Well, that was pretty easy. I created the sales page on ThriveCart, and you know what? It was simple, it was easy, and it's not hard to do. Get ThriveCart. There's a link in the description. Get it now because you'll have the lifetime deal. I have that. And some people, when they lose it, it's going to be hundreds of dollars a year. One fee and it's over. And get my digital product creation secrets. There's a coupon below this video. Use the coupon and get it. You'll see what this is and learn from it. And I do this all the time. I will buy someone's product just to see what they did. So take it apart. You can't use it as a PLR product to change, but you can use it to learn from, because it's a good product. It's a very good product to learn how to create digital products. So that's the schmeal. So I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR, and we'll talk soon.